Hey family, Tanya here. Here is my hydroponic lettuce garden. Well, here are some bok choy. These are beautiful. These are probably 20 days old. I start harvesting when they're 30 days old. So this is bok choy. You can grow it inside or grow it outside. Here in Georgia, it's too hot. These are cold season crops. Cool season, they like it in the fall and the winter. Gets too hot for them, so I'm growing them inside. And then in the fall, I'll take the party outside. Here is some like loose leaf lettuce and red oak. Let me bring this up. You see some red oak lettuce in there. And here are my beautiful little gem. These are called little gem lettuces. And that's how they'll look, but they'll just grow up a little bigger. Okay, so come in when I need some lettuce. I'll come in and I'll just take leaves off the perimeter of the plant, and then it'll keep growing on the inside. All right, you see the center. These are new leaves here, and I'll take the more mature leaves around the back. All right, so this is a great tower to have, and yes, so in 30 days you can have lettuce. And I have to get a good rhythm going so I have some, so I can, succession plant and just have new lettuce growing at all times. Here's a pepper plant. Hubby is trying out these peppers and they are just doing so much better than in soil. All right, so just wanted to share that with you. I don't have a link to this tower, but just check Amazon and see if there's a tower that suits your needs. I'm just trying to share this with you so that if you don't want to garden outside, if you're getting older and or if it's just too hot for you to get out here, this is an option. But the thing is, this does take electricity, but what I love about it is it's water. The roots just love being in the water. They do so much better. Just straight water and some nutrients and light. And that's all it needs. I don't have to water. I check the water levels every 2 weeks. And, if it's low, then, you just fill it back up. No pest. It's good. All right. Let me show you my other one. So if you want something more affordable or that doesn't take up as much space, let me show you my other system. And these taste good too. Okay, and here's my other hydroponics. This is what I started with. This is the Metri Grow. Got it from Amazon. And this is a bok choy. And there's some bok choy over here. There's different lettuces, some romaine, and some loose leaf lettuces. And here's some younger lettuces. I just started this one up again. This unit, I have 2 of these units, and they're just starting collard greens. I started these on the 6th. It's the 9th. No, it's the 10th. And yesterday they popped up already. So 3 days. Okay. And some other lettuces are right here. So this is great for, but like I said before, it takes electricity. And this is for those of us that, still outdoors is the ideal spot for me, but it's too hot for lettuce. So I'm not going to go another summer without growing my own lettuce. Now hubby and I celebrated our 35th wedding anniversary in May, so he got this for us. It was a surprise to me. So he saw I was growing lettuce in my office and saw how good it looked and decided it would be a good gift for both of us. All right, guys, just wanted to share that with you. This is another option for us, okay? Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe.